Hello my gems, and in today's video I'm going to review the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum.
In this video, I will be sharing how to use the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid properly and what to use and not to use with the hyaluronic acid. And finally, I will be ranking the L'Oreal HA Serum with some of my favorite hydrating products.
And hyaluronic acid has an ingredient, it helps in hydrating your skin, and it is not an exfoliating ingredient. It does not exfoliate your skin. And how it helps is, imagine you did not drink water whole day and you came back home and had 2 glasses of water, and drinking water gives you that hydrated and energized feeling, and you feel full of life and everything. This is exactly a hyaluronic acid does to your skin. Hyaluronic acid serums are like water for your skin. When you use hyaluronic acid serum on your face, it hydrates your skin, it softens your skin, and whatever you use after hyaluronic acid will perform better on your skin, provided your hyaluronic acid serum is formulated really well. And I have been using this L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid for more than 2 weeks. I did test it out for more than 2 weeks and I loved it. This did not dry out my skin, this did not irritate my skin, this did not cause any breakout, and it definitely made my skin soft and hydrated. And when I checked the pH of this hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal, the pH which I got was shockingly good. I got it exactly 5.5, and this is a fantastic thing. You will not find many hyaluronic acid serum or hyaluronic acid based toner of 5.5 pH. Most of the hyaluronic acid serums or toner have pH above 6 or maybe around 7, and if you have dry or sensitive skin and you use higher pH hyaluronic acid on your face, you might end up drying your skin or irritate your skin.
The pH of Minimalist Hyaluronic Acid Serum came around 8, which is like a bit too high for sensitive skin. And when I checked the pH of Deconstruct Hyaluronic Acid Serum, this is a new skincare brand, it had a pH of around 8.5, way too high, and I honestly found this drying on my skin.
But this is like perfectly pH balanced, and I definitely recommend that you try it out. I loved it, and also this is available in 2 quantity. Mine is in 15 ml quantity. I was having some mixed feeling of it, so I was like, let me try out the 15 ml quantity, and if I like it I would go for the higher quantity. So I'm super glad this did work out on my skin. And other good thing is that this is 100% essential oil free, this is 100% fragrance free, and formulation is like quite simple. Like last time I saw the formulation of Micro Essence, I was a bit disappointed. I didn't even feel like trying it out, so I was not that excited when this was launched in India. But then I was seeing around other people trying it out, and some of you were asking me like, what's my opinion on this, what's the pH of this. So I was like, okay, let me get the 15 ml quantity and try it out.
And now let me rank and show you where this L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum stands in between my favorite HA products. My most favorite hydrating product is from Rovectin. This hydrating toner is the best one out there to treat the dehydrated skin. And the next one is from Hada Labo. This variant is the best one. And the third one is from Rovectin. This serum has a very lightweight consistency but still very hydrating on skin. And the L'Oreal serum comes at the 4th rank, and this is a good ranking because this is much better than many hydrating serums and toners that I have used.
And I am someone who has tested out so many hyaluronic acid serums and toner. I have reviewed them in another video. I will link those videos at the top corner so that you can have a look and decide on your own what you prefer and what you do not prefer. So this serum is safe enough to be used on a daily basis. It can be used for both morning and night routine, and you use this after you have cleansed your face, and make sure that your face is little damp. And if you feel that you have dried out your face, you can use your any toner, and if you don't have any Korean toners, you can also use any mist toner, any plain rose water that you have, mist your face and let the mist sit on your face, and immediately follow up with this hyaluronic acid serum. and pat down your hyaluronic acid serum. And if you are using any other serums like vitamin C serum, your tranexamic acid serum, your arbutin serum, niacinamide serum, whatever serum you are using will come after this. And then make sure you are moisturizing your face. Whenever you are using a hyaluronic acid serum, doesn't matter if you have oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, whatever skin you have, use your preferred moisturizer, but do make sure you are moisturizing your face after putting on a hyaluronic acid serum. Otherwise, any hyaluronic acid serum might dry out your face, so please don't do this mistake.
L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum can safely be used with AHA, BHA, PHA, benzoyl peroxide scrubs and clay mask, but you will be using these before the hyaluronic acid serum. So what you're going to do is you will be cleansing your face, use the chemical exfoliant, use your toner, then use the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and then follow up with any other serum if you are using in your skincare routine, and make sure that you do use a moisturizer.
Overall, a fantastic product. I highly recommend it to all skin type, including sensitive skin, acne prone skin. Definitely check this out. I'm so happy to find another good option within the Indian market. So you see, I don't have problem with the affordable product, and I mention them if they are like good enough. So yeah, definitely check this out. And that's all for today's video, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.